Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys the presets library underneath the Fairlight page. So you can recall presets under the dynamics, EQ, and your track effects. When they're open, you click this drop down menu and load one of the preset ones. So let's choose compression. And if you choose B, you can load another preset. Let's choose soft knee. Now you can see the settings have changed. And if you want to compare the two settings, you can hit A and B and have two settings available if you're trying to dial in the right sound. If you want to save your own preset, hit the plus button after you've made your changes, hit create new and give it a name. And now that'll be ready on any of the other channels that you want to access. Same goes with the track effects. If we open Dialog Leveler, it also has a drop down and a plus menu for adding a preset. Now, if you want to manage these, you can go to the Fairlight, third option down, preset library. And now this has different categories in here. So you have a filter by option. We go to equalizer. Here's all the default ones, user presets. And if you wanted to apply it to a track, you just choose your destination tracks and your preset, hit apply. Here's the dynamics. Here's that new preset that we made. If we wanted to get rid of it, just hit delete. Now we have plugin presets. So if we choose this here, an audio one, which has nothing on it but the dialog leveler, and we hit apply, you can see we got the vocal channel deesser and dialog processor, and there is some dynamics. Now, if we want to change everything on the track, go to global track presets. We'll choose the same one, same channel, hit apply. You can see that preset had the dialog leveler off and the EQ is different. And if we want to go back to default, we can hit apply. I actually saved this default, so there isn't a default one. Now, if you want to route your buses or put a limiter or have effects on your buses, you can do that too. So here I made one called limited sends. I'm going to choose bus 1, hit apply. Now you can see we have dynamics engaged with a limiter at -1, a bus output path going to bus 2. So this could help if you're doing like 5-1 mixes or channeling down to stereo, any sub mixes, and you want to recall settings. So now you can recall and save presets for your EQ, dynamics, your track effects, and your entire channel strips, all with the presets library. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.